Nano Banana 2 just came out and is completely revolutionary. You will be able to generate 4K photorealistic images in seconds, maintain up to 5 consistent characters across an entire story, and have perfect text inside any image you generate. It's gonna be better than anything we've seen before. And the best part is that you can access it right now for free directly through Gemini and Google AI Studio. So let's break down exactly what's new, what actually matters, and whether this is really as good as they're claiming. Before we start the video, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel in order to not miss the next videos. And if this video gets 100 likes, I will do another video where I will show you the best use cases of Nano Banana 2. So if you want this video to happen, like the video right now. And finally, the most important, join our free AI newsletter where you will get the latest AI news and AI tools. And if you join right now, you will get the 20 AI tools to use in 2026. The link is in the description. Let's start. This is Nano Banana 2. The main features of Nano Banana 2 are more accurate images and the precision with the text rendering and the translation. We'll be able to generate legible text for marketing mockups and greeting cards. And we have examples directly from Google. You can make the text for a comic style and many other ones. We will have the subject consistency so we can maintain characters resemblance up to 5 characters. There is also this amazing feature. We can create images with resolutions from 512px to 4K, which is a major difference to the quality of the image. And finally, there will be much better details. Here we have an example as well from Google where they import in 15 images and we can see the result that is of extremely good quality. We're now going to test Nano Banana 2 right now. We are on Gemini. You can access it through this website, gemini.google.com/app. And now you can just click on Tools and Create Image. You can see that it's very different from the first Nano Banana. Now we can pick a style for our image. We are going to choose the Mythic Fighter, and this is my prompt. I am going to start easy with my prompt of a hyper-realistic Tyrannosaurus walking through Times Square in New York City. As you saw, it said loading Nano Banana 2, which is the model that is amazing. Here we have the image. Compared to the first Nano Banana, this has much more details in terms of the city, the broken billboards, the smoke coming out of the cars, like if there was an accident, and the quality of the image is much better. One of the other main features was the text within the image. So I said that the dinosaur had to carry a cardboard sign with a text on it. Right now it's generating the image, and remember that everything I'm doing in this video is for free. Here we have the image with the same style and we have the dinosaur holding "Where am I? I'm lost." This is exactly what I asked within my prompt. Nano Banana 2 is also very good to translate the text in your image. The text was in English and I asked create the image with the text translated in French. As you can see, it kept the entire image the same and there is just the translated text on the cardboard. And what's really surprising is that Nano Banana 2 can generate very hard text, especially with that accent and also all the punctuation. So you can use it in every way you want. We are now going to test with another prompt. This time we will choose another style and I choose steampunk. It says loading Nano Banana 2, which is exactly what we want. And in my prompt, I made sure that I mentioned the 4K resolution in order to have the best quality image. We have our image and we can see that Nano Banana 2 is much better than the first one in terms of the details, whether it's the sun or the river and all of the elements present in the video. Once again, I am testing the text feature of Nano Banana 2. Here it has the same style and this is exactly what I wanted. I'm here, don't forget me. This is really a game changer for image creation. If you remember a few months ago, the text generation within images were of really bad quality or there were many errors within the text. Now, as you can see, there is literally no error. Nano Banana 2 is also very good for translating the text within an image. And so I said, translate the text in Spanish. It created the exact same image and it just translated with the same style. This is amazing, this level of details and the understanding of Nano Banana 2. And you can translate in almost every languages that you want. I can ask to translate in Italian and it will do the same thing. And finally, the main feature of Nano Banana 2 is that you can import many different images, such as this road, this robot, this drone, and this car, and you can ask the AI to create the image you want with the same elements. I'm going to say all those elements are next to each other. I chose the dynamite style and I included the car, the drone, the robot, and finally the road. Here we have the entire image. We have the car, the robot, the drone, and the road just here. And in the background, we have the explosion. We have the explosion because we chose the dynamite style. As you can see, the image is very well detailed. It's very realistic and it really based itself on the image you gave them. And you can do that with everything you want. What you can do with Nano Banana 2 is to change the size of the image. I asked to create a dog walking on the moon, size 9 by 16. I click on create image and I can choose the style. I'm gonna choose cinematic and click on submit. And you'll see that the image will be 9 by 16. And as you can see, it's very well detailed. Now I asked the same image, but this time with the size 3 by 2. And as you can see, the AI expanded the image on the side. And so you can do that for 16 by 9, for 1 by 1, and many other different size of images. So you understand that you don't need Photoshop or Canva anymore. What you need is Nano Banana 2. Based on the result that we have in this video, I really advise you to use it for all your project. Tell me in the comments what you think of this new Nano Banana 2. Hope you like the video. See you in the next one.